Discrete structures. Number 1. What is number theory? Why is number theory important? Number theory is a branch of pure mathematics devoted to the study of the natural numbers and the integers. It is the study of the set of positive whole numbers, which are usually called the set of natural numbers. As it holds the foundational place in discipline, number theory is also called the queen of mathematics. Why is number theory important? The number theory helps discover interesting relationships between different sorts of numbers, and to prove that these are true, number theory is partly experimental and partly theoretical. Experimental part leads to questions and suggests ways to answer them. Number 2, what are different number theory applications? The best-known application of number theory is public key cryptography, such as the RSA algorithm. Public key cryptography in turns many technologies we take for granted, such as the ability to make secure online transactions. In addition to cryptography, number theory has been applied to other areas such as error correcting codes, numerical integration, computer arithmetic, random and number generation. Number 3. How is number theory used in cryptography? Number theory plays an important role in encryption algorithm. Cryptography is the practice of hiding information, converting some secret information to not readable text. Cryptography is used for security. Number 4. What are the applications of prime numbers? Prime numbers are also called for hash tables and pseudorandom number generators. Some rotor machines were designed with a different number of pins on each rotor, with the numbers of pins on any one rotor either prime or coprime to the number of pins on any other rotor. Number 5. Discuss briefly the early modern number theories. Letter A. Fermat, author of History of Analytic Geometry and others. Pierre de Fermat is born on August 17, 1601. French mathematician who is often called the founder of the modern theory of numbers. Letter B is Euler. Euler was a prolific mathematician whose work spanned and fields of geometry, calculus, trigonometry, algebra, number theory, physics, lunar theory, and even astronomy. Euler's contemporary colleagues and even mathematicians working today recognize him as one of the greatest mathematicians to have ever lived. Letter C is Gauss' Legendre quadrature rule, doing so by a calculation with continuous fraction in 1814. He calculated the nodes and way to 16 digits up to order n is equals to 7 by hand.